Welcome to What's in the Shop. We're here with Terrell. How long you been tinting with us? 9 years, 10 years? 10 years this year. Very cool. We have 3 guys here who have been here for 10 years. That's a giant compliment to me. Welcome to What's in the Shop. We show you what's happening behind the scenes. We'll start at Latrobe. We've got a lot of cars. He's tinting that Grand Cherokee. And then over here in this bay, we have a vinyl wrap going down on a brand new Audi SQ8 from our friends at Swickley Audi, which is now Ken Ganley Audi as of a couple weeks ago. In front of that's a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, different one than the other gray one that we've had in here a handful of times. This one's here for ceramic coating. The wheels are done, the paint's polished. Coating should be going down later today. Cybertruck's pulling out of the bay. You guys have seen this for a few weeks now. It's green. I love it. Another vinyl wrap right behind that, a BMW X6. This is going from like a, I don't know, John, how would you even describe that color? A gray, brown, something like that, to satin black. So we've got two. Iridescent, yes. 2 satin black wraps going down. So 3 full vinyl wraps in here, counting the Cybertruck. Behind that, this truck's been around for a while. We did a Ceramic Pro Gold package on this like 8 years ago, maybe even 9. This was at the old shop, if I remember correctly. The truck needed some work, so we're polishing and recoating basically the whole thing to make sure that it looks great again. It's been a while. Outside, we've got lots of cool cars. We have, check this one out. Corvette C8, you guys have seen many of these, but the special thing about this actually belongs to the Shop with a Cop charity organization, and they are raffling this car off. So it's here because we did PPF on it. We're gonna tint the windows and give it a ceramic coating. That's our donation to the Shop with a Cop, and we're gonna help promote it. They're doing a giveaway on this thing. So very soon we're gonna have the link to the tickets that you can buy. And yeah, if you've always wanted a Corvette, now is gonna be your chance. I think those tickets are gonna be $100, 2 numbers per ticket. And it's for a great cause. Shop with a Cop does a lot of really great things in our community here in Pennsylvania. Our new loaner, we're proud of those. I say it all the time. Only shop around. That gives you a free car while we're borrowing yours. Then we have a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. This one came to us from our friends at Smale. This was a recent trade-in. And we did a polish on the car. That happened yesterday. Now we need to clean up the interior and get a sealant on the paint. We're just making it look the way a Lambo should. Max and Aaron are actually working on touching up the Mustang. This is a 2009. We did a full PPF wrap on this. It's getting coating and window tint as well. PPF is done. The fun part about this car is most of it is bulk, which means there's no patterns, which makes for a really great installation. You can tuck edges really well, hide corners, things like that, but very challenging to do. You need a very skilled installer to do it. No big deal for Max and Aaron, just a little bit more time consuming than a normal car. Max, the thing that we love about him around the shop, he's always in a great mood. Just really brings up the energy in the shop. Aaron and Max both just super high energy kind of guys, you know? Beside that, this is a cool car, ZR1 C6. Really, really great shape. We did a polish and a coating on it. It's ready to go home. It looks like a brand new car. And Caleb bought a new Tiguan, what do they call these? R-types, or what do they call that for the R-line? R-line. Tiguan R-line. Congrats, Caleb. Always excites me when employees buy new houses and cars and stuff like that. Over here we have a Blazer about to be pulled away from us. It's got some vinyl work on the interior. Some little accent pieces we wrapped in satin black. Behind that, Mercedes SL63. These are cool. 6.3 liter shoved into a very, very tiny car. Never driven one, but I imagine that they're probably like a go-kart. Beside that's a Genesis. We've got that prepped, ready to roll. It's going in today for a polish and a coating. A lot of the time and effort for a coating goes into the prep work. The actual coating part is probably the easiest part of the process to get a good result. Beside that is an Audi S5 Coupe. This one, we rewrapped a part of the roof that we did not originally wrap. I'm not really sure what was wrong with it, but we did that yesterday, and now we're gonna be removing the reflective, very dark tint that is on the full windshield. It's gotta be pretty hard to drive with that. And right beside that is a Lincoln Navigator. We'd recently ceramic coated this, and it's got some really harsh water spots on horizontal surfaces shortly after we did it. We don't really know what caused it, neither does the customer, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of that for him. We always stand behind everything that we do. And then a 911 just rolled in. I don't know if this is here for work or not yet, or if it's scheduling, but what a great car. So this one was getting moved around while we were outside. Full wrap on a Ford Raptor. Beautiful truck, great color. Aaron's over there installing a fender right now. Full wrap coating. Looks like we tinted the windows as well. So great truck. I believe this is the second truck we've done for Kyle. And up front, we've got a Corvette. Our friend Bill, Brady Auto Sales. Check him out if you're looking for a good used car. And that was here for an annual inspection, and so was the, I think that's called Grabber Blue on the Mustang, that blue Mustang. is here for an annual as well. Brian's doing our very thorough check-in process that we do before we touch your car, if it's here for tint, ceramic, PPF, or an annual. I'm sorry, not tint. Tint, we don't have it long enough. It's on our cameras the whole time, but everything else we do a very thorough check-in. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and South Florida.
What's going on, guys? Flat Glass Man here with your residential and commercial department upgrade. Today we're at this beautiful home behind me in Wexford, PA, installing some Clearview Alloy 40 on the windows on this side of the house and a few skylights on the other side to help add some privacy as well as reduce the heat and the glare that comes in the afternoon when the sun sets on the opposite side of the house. The customers are absolutely getting roasted in there, feeling like a rotisserie chicken in their living room, and it was making it really hard to enjoy the nicest living space in the home. If you have any questions about residential or commercial window tint for your home or office, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd be happy to provide you with a free quote. See you on the next building.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up on the platform, we have a Dodge Challenger. We tinted the side windows on this vehicle in our Prime XR 20% and did a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Another Challenger ready for pickup. This got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. We also tinted the side windows and the back window and did a 4-year ceramic coating on it. Another completed job for paint protection film is this Ford Maverick. We did do a full front clip on this vehicle about a month ago. It's back in the shop this week for PPF on the rocker panels and the tailgate. Over here we have a completed ceramic coating on this GT500. Did a full polish, 8-year coating on the entire body, and tinted the side windows and the back window. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this 4 Series for Swickley Car Store. We're doing a full polish on this vehicle and then doing an 8-year ceramic coating. Another vehicle here from our friends at Audi Porsche of Swickley. This got a full front clip paint protection film tint on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint and a ceramic coating. Over in the tint bay, we got Cole doing his thing on this Volvo XC90. This is getting tint on the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory tint, and a 5% visor. Another tint job in the works here is this Corvette. We took off some old tint that was on the side windows and the back window. You can see the glass is now clean. We're gonna be tinting those windows, sides and back, and our Prime XR 20% tint. Another vehicle here from BMW of Swickley. This is an M5 Touring. We did some PPF on this vehicle about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. It's back in the shop now for some more PPF. We're gonna be doing the rocker panels, and we also polished the vehicle and did a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the lift, we have a 2025 BMW M240. This is getting a full body paint protection film wrap. We have tinted the side windows and the back window, and we are coating both the inside and the outside. Our final car in the shop here from Audi Porsche of Swickley is this 911. This is getting a track package, full front and rocker panels, and we're going to be extending the track package into the rear quarter and A-pillar. So this whole big piece, it's kind of shaped like a C, that whole piece along with the entire front clip. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Here in the tint bay, we have this Model Y that's in for our XR black all around, including the windshields. It came in through our Tesla program. This GMC Sierra came in for an annual inspection. Make sure our ceramic coating is performing like it should. Now it's ready to go back to its owner. This Range Rover is here for a full track pack in our xpel Ultimate 8 with 2 front window tints in our XR Plus.